Hey, Spy Ninjas, Regina, Chad, and I are trapped in the Black Pyramid room right now. PZ715 tied us together and trapped us here, but luckily, Regina dressed up as the Blue Man Group and saved the day.
So we need to find another way to get the door.
Oh my gosh, it's wiggling.
It might be PZ9.
Oh my gosh.
We have to be ready to battle.
Okay, ready?
Remember PZ9 betrayed us and he joined Project ZORGO again?
He could be calling all the PZ members right now. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. No. Whoa.
Daniel!
Hey guys.
Daniel?
I made it.
But this is my shirt.
Why do you look like this, Daniel?
Yeah, I'm a blue man.
Daniel, you look emo, not Blue Man at all.
That's exactly it. Remember last time I dressed up and I wasn't emo? I kind of ruined the day. I finally learned what emo was after that. It means emotional. It means like feeling a little like sad, feeling a little blue. You know?
Oh, so that's what you thought Blue Man was?
For a technology expert, you're kind of bad at using Google to look up what the blue is.
Yeah, good roast.
Oh.
All right, guys, we gotta delete all the audio files that they have of the safe house. It's probably down in the basement in the server room.
Yes.
Yeah.
Daniel, how did you even get in here anyway?
Domino's card.
Whoa, it worked. Yeah.
Whoa.
Way to go, Daniel. We gotta get to that server room, delete all those files that they've been recording of us from inside the safe house.
You never know, one of us could have said something really important out loud. Project ZORGO could know our secret.
What if Project ZORGO caught us doing embarrassing stuff?
Yeah, like when I went skinny dipping in the pool, they might have filmed that.
Chad, why did you do that?
No, it's just going swimming when you're skinny.
What is that sound I keep hearing?
Sounds like someone playing a musical instrument of some sort.
Like a kazoo or something?
Right there. What?
What is that thing?
I think that's a kazoo.
But what is that thing playing the kazoo?
That's PZ9 right there.
What? What are you doing here? PZ9?
Okay, before I took out Project ZORGO's microphone at the safe house, I overheard you guys talking about Blue Man Group. So, here I am.
That is blues, yes, but it's not the Blue Man Group, okay?
Ready to blues it up, brother.
You don't look like a blue man at all. This is what a blue man
I
looks
got Blue Man correct. I'm a blue man.
What are you
Yeah.
supposed to be?
Well, I heard Blue Man. I thought they were talking about blues, man. So,
Blues music?
yeah. Yeah, blues.
I thought they played the saxophone blues.
I guess you couldn't afford a saxophone, huh? It's the closest you can get?
Yeah, I'm kind of on a budget. I'm homeless.
Enough. You betrayed us. I'm mad at you still, man.
Even if you're trying to help, you suck!
Yeah, I was warming up to you and then you betrayed us.
And are you even my brother?
That's a whole lot of questions.
Let's just go, Spy Ninjas. Come on.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's
Come
go.
on.
Let's go.
Ah, hey, hacker!
Whoa.
Finances, what are you guys doing here?
I'll take care of him.
Oh, what the heck?
Let's go. I can't believe you tried to help us by dressing up as a blues man.
Yeah, it was pretty cool when he punched that hacker.
Yeah, he's helping us.
Guys, it doesn't matter. He betrayed us. One of the tenets of the Spy Ninja is loyalty, and he does not have loyalty towards us.
That is true. That is very true. We can't trust him ever again.
And we're getting close to the basement, so let's hurry. Let's go down.
Do you hear that? I hear something over here. Right there. Did you see that? Hackers.
Where'd them Spy Ninjas go anyways?
Those hackers, they're right on our trail. We need a long time in the basement to delete all of those files. We have to distract them somehow.
Yes.
Chad, I got a great idea.
Okay, let's hear it.
I'm just gonna need this.
What?
What are you doing? Just trust me. Okay, Spy Ninjas, I have a plan. So I'm gonna use Chad's hat at a decoy. I'm gonna leave this on the 3rd floor and make the hacker think that Chad dropped it, so it's just misleading them to the wrong direction. If you think it's a great plan, give this video a big thumbs up right now. Now let's hide.
Where'd them Spy Ninjas go? Hey, wait a minute. What's that right there? Look!
They're falling for it.
That's a Spy Ninja head over there. They must be over here. Over on the 3rd floor here. Let's go. Let's check it out.
It worked. I'm gonna meet up with the other Spy Ninjas now. Oh, wait, you guys.
What did you do?
I lure them away with your hat, Chad, so they think we're on the 3rd floor right now.
Wait, so you gave them my hat?
Yeah, we can buy a new one, Chad.
Okay, yeah, I'll just buy a new one at shop.chadv.com. That's
Yeah,
fine.
let's go down. Yeah, let's go.
Whoa, okay, this has got to be the basement door. Look, it says no trespassing. This is definitely the place Project ZORGO does not want us to go. The servers must be in here.
This is a crazy door.
Are there any hackers in there right now, you think?
Listen to the door.
No, I don't hear anything.
Let's get back inside there before they come.
Okay, let's go. Oh, I've been in Project ZORGO's basement before. I've never been in this area. Whoa.
Yeah, I've never been in this part either.
I haven't either. This is kind of scary.
Look at this wall behind us.
Look at that guy.
What the heck is that thing?
Who knew Project Zorgo was such good graffiti artists?
This reminds me of when we went to the tunnels. Remember? There's a ton of graffitis and stuff.
There's a light on up there.
It's really dark in here now, guys. There's a curtain here. Oh, wait, this place looks familiar.
Is it safe to come?
Come out, B.
Okay.
Damn, come on.
Is it empty?
Blue man.
Did someone say Blue Man?
It's you. Yeah.
This is the basement. Yeah, this looks familiar. The server room is really close to here. So, since I'm the best hacker after all, I will be the one hacking into the server room and deleting the audio files.
I'm the best hacker.
Yeah?
Where's my phone? I don't have it.
A true hacker always has their phone on them.
I cannot take you seriously with that eye makeup.
Oh.
Daniel, you look silly.
Don't you have eye makeup too?
Okay, let's see. Where's the server room? Oh, there it is. Connecting. I'm downloading all the files right now.
How long is it gonna take?
It's looking like an hour and 15 minutes about.
It's too long, Daniel.
Yeah, let Regina try it.
Yeah, let me work my magic.
I'm the best hacker, so an hour and 15.
Oh, what time does that say, V?
5 minutes.
Oh!
5 minutes.
Who's the best hacker now?
Oh, wait, wait.
Daniel, what happened, dude?
Oh, it's the eyeliner. I can't see. It's like.
Oh, come on, Daniel. I have eyeliner too. You're making up excuses because I am the best hacker.
As long as no one comes in here, no hackers.
Yes.
Finding is over here somewhere.
Hold it close.
They're coming in here.
Don't say anything.
We gotta say something. V, do like a hacker voice or something.
Don't come in here. We're busy. Come back later. In 10 minutes.
Gosh, how rude to keep us waiting. We're looking for someone.
Oh yeah, who you looking for? Who was that? PZ Booth now or what?
Yeah, no. Oops. Yeah, it's me, PZ Foods.
What's wrong with you in there? Open the door already.
My foot is stuck under the door. I can't open it. Don't come in. We're preparing a surprise for you. 5 more minutes.
Okay, 5 minutes.
5 more minutes. Wait, Regina.
Oh,
Do you have any more of your blue paint?
I have it right here.
They're all fans of the Blue Man Group, right?
All those Project Zorgo hackers, they were like fangirling over me basically because they thought I was a real blue man.
Maybe we should all become blue men.
Yes. Yeah. You 3 become the blue men. I'll hide somewhere and continue hacking.
Let's make it rain, men.
What?
They're still wearing CWC merch.
Oh, shoot.
Daniel, go find something. Some hacker clothes or something.
Okay.
Okay, I'm about to put the blue paint on B.
I'm a natural. I should have been the next YouTube sensation, creating my own makeup palette. That's what I should have been doing.
Gosh, how do I look?
Oh my gosh, I think V actually looks better than Chad.
See, I'm a pro at putting makeup on, V. You need to learn from me.
I think Daniel just complimented that I'm more beautiful than you. Oh my gosh! I just saw myself the first time.
Let me see myself. Oh yeah. I did a better job on you.
Well, guys, you need to get rid of that CWC merch. I found a bunch of hacker clothes. Here, put these on.
Put them on. How do we look?
How do we look?
Oh my gosh.
You guys look incredible.
Thank you.
I don't know what blue men actually look like, but you're right. This seems more blue men than me.
You better hide, Daniel.
I'm gonna hide behind this cardboard box. I'm gonna keep hacking, just distract them, okay? They love the blue men group.
Gosh, guys, I don't know how much longer I can hold this.
Keep holding it, Regina.
Let's get in here already, 409.
They're coming in, they're coming
They're coming.
Gosh, they're coming in, they're coming in.
The Blue Man Group.
Oh, we are the Blue Man Group.
Chad, the blue man group doesn't talk, man.
OMG!
It's really down?
I'm such a big fan! Oh my gosh! Oh, wow! Oh my goodness!
It's really you. I didn't think we'd ever meet. Hello there.
I didn't know that they came in different shapes and sizes. It's so cute, IRL.
Okay, perfect. The hackers think they're the real blue men group.
They're pretty good. Not as good as smooth jazz musicians, but they're pretty good.
I'm gonna keep hacking. All we need is like 5 minutes, it looks like.
Can we get a performance, please? I'm your biggest fan, oh my god.
Yeah, let's see the dance you guys do all the time.
BZ44 wants them to do a dance. They don't know any dances.
Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, that's it.
Wow! It's so beautiful.
Oh yes, there V. That's a good dance.
Well, that's nice and all, but you guys are known for doing a bunch of funny business. Let's see some of your funny things you do all the time.
Okay. The Blue Man Group always just does weird, funny little skits and stuff without talking.
Oh my gosh. It's so weird and creepy, and I love it!
Now that is pretty funny, I'll give you that much.
Good job, guys. I'm making great progress here. I just need a couple more minutes.
Wait, what was that?
Yeah, there was a weird sound over there.
I'll check it out.
Oh no. I hiccuped. It's those darn hiccups. They strike again.
Go over there, Fortnite. What was that?
Oh gosh.
I think it was over here somewhere.
It's so dirty over here.
Guys, do something. Distract them. Yeah.
Keep looking, 409.
It's not working. Keep going. Do something else.
Over here, look what they're doing.
Oh my gosh, I found something.
What'd you find over there?
A big pile of dirt.
Oh my. Get over here, 409. Look what these guys are doing over here. Now that's entertainment. Don't you guys play some music or something?
Musical instruments? What the heck? Yeah, there's no musical instruments in sight.
Where's the instruments anyways? Yeah, there you go.
Oh, I love those things.
What are you gonna do with them anyways?
Yes, V. Yes, there you go, V.
I use those for cleaning all the time.
Okay, go ahead.
I need a couple more minutes. Do something else. Good job, guys. Good job. I'm almost done. Guys, we're gonna do it.
Wait a minute. 409, you heard that, right? It's over here again. I'm gonna check it out.
Crap.
Gotta be over here somewhere. Daniel!
No.
Easy one or whatever your name is. Get out of here.
Hey!
You're not supposed to be here.
Hey! Guys, help!
Hey! Blue Man Group, no violence.
You're not supposed to talk.
Yeah, but
The Spy Ninjas are the Blue Man Group?
Wait a minute. These are all the Spy Ninjas.
back up, or else we'll use these. You back up. Oh,
sorry.
Oh, Daniel, let's get out of here. Go.
Oh my god, that was so crazy, Daniel! Did you delete all the files?
I think so. I think I got all of them. Yeah, I did.
Oh my
PC9. What the heck?
What is he doing here?
He's holding something in his hand.
What does he want?
Yeah, let's just go up and talk to him. Tell him to get the heck out of here. Leave us alone for good.
PZ9, you betrayed us.
Are you following us?
Yeah, what's in your hands? Is that a ninja gadget?
No! Ow!
Oh.
Whoa! It's flour!
What? Flowers?
With no spy cam installed.
Are you sure?
Let me look.
Yeah!
Check it out, Chad.
Chad, what if it's a trap? Don't smell anything.
It smells. Just kidding.
Smells really nice, actually, and I don't see any spy cameras in there.
Here, V. It's for you.
What?
I realized the wrong of my ways.
There's a lot of things wrong with you, PZ9.
Yeah, but wanting to be friends with you guys, I don't think is that weird. I've had time to reflect on all the time I've spent with you guys lately. You guys are really cool, and I've had a lot of fun, and I could use some friends.
Yeah, but you were hanging out with us, and then you betrayed us and you went to Project Zorgo.
Okay, look, it's not gonna be perfect, okay? I'm trying. After I betrayed you guys, I went back to Project Zorgo, and things weren't the same. I barely laughed when I was with them. You know, with you guys, I laughed a lot. I didn't know what it was that I was feeling, but I think it was friendship. Chad, you're an amazing fighter, and
Thanks, man. Thanks.
you also keep it very humble. You know, you have all that skill, and you're very nice about it. V, you're one of the toughest and bravest spy ninjas out of the group, and all packed into a nice compact size. I mean, V, how do you fit all of that bravery and confidence into such a small frame? And Daniel, you know, it's fun making music with you and, you know, roasting you sometimes, but in a friendly manner. Regina.
Yeah?
I didn't have anything prepared to say, because...
What the heck is that?
What? I didn't think you guys were going to let me go on this long.
Oh, give me a break.
I thought we would have battle royaled already.
So you were ready for a battle royale?
Well, it looks like you guys were ready when you saw me in my Blues Boy outfit.
PZ9, you will never be a spy ninja. Let's go, guys.
Let's
go.
Come on, guys. What do I have to do to be a part of the team?
Come on. What do you have to do? What do you have to do? Take off that mask, and you can be a spy ninja.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Take off your mask!
Yeah, take it off.
Your mask.
Take off the mask.
Take off your mask!
Take off your mask.
Okay,
Do it.
Come on.
I get it. If that's all it takes for me to be a spy ninja, then I'll do it. I'm ready for this.
You'll do it?
Wait, for real?
Okay, come on.
You'll do it?
Fine then. Meet me at the safe house on Christmas Day.